Assalamualaikum dear students. I am Ms. Madiha David, lecturer in biology at Government Degree College for Women, Kachap. Today in biology homeostasis, chapter number 15, you will learn about excretory products of animals. What is excretion? The removal of waste products from the body is called excretion. The elimination of wasteful metabolites, end products of metabolism, mainly of nitrogenous nature, is called excretion. Several products may be included in the list of excretory products of animals, like they remove or excrete out different type of substances. Number one is water. Water, due to its removal in hypotonic environment, is an excretory product in these specific conditions. They also remove salts. Salts are removed by animals in the hypertonic environment. Nitrogenous wastes. Metabolites. The substances that take part in metabolism are called metabolites. They constitute the main excretory product in animals. Primarily, in the breakdown or catabolism of amino acids, amino group is released. Deamination, removal of amino group. Amino group is transferred to another molecule for removal or for reuse. Amino group released by the process of deamination is essentially dissolved in water and then excreted to avoid toxic rise in the plasma, that is liquid part of blood. Elevated or high levels of these waste can cause different conditions like convulsions, coma, which eventually or finally leads to death. Mostly excess nitrogen is excreted by animals in various forms like ammonia, urea, and uric acids. Now we will discuss these disease conditions one by one. Convulsion is a journal term used to describe uncontrolled muscle contractions. It can continue for a few seconds or many minutes. Second condition is coma. It is a state of unconsciousness. When a person is unresponsive, that is, he or she is not responding and can't be woken from sleep. It can result from injury to brain. Lower quantities of nitrogen are excreted in the form of their compounds like creatinine, or TMO, trimethylamine oxide. In very small quantities, nitrogen excreted as amino acids like purines and pyrimidines. Metabolism of purine and pyrimidine bases produce significant or large amounts of nitrogenous waste of hypoxanthine, xanthines, uric acid, and ammonia. Nature of excretory products in relation to the habitats. That is, animals live in different kind of habitats, environments. Excretion of ammonia in aquatic habitat. Ammonia is very toxic or dangerous, and it dissolves quickly in the body fluids. Body requires large volumes of water to eliminate ammonia in the urine as it's produced, and this is possible in hypotonic environments where there is more water and less salts, hypotonic. Therefore, ammonia is the excretory product of animals inhabiting or occupying hypotonic freshwater environments. This is very important. About 500 ml water is needed to excrete 1 gram of ammonia nitrogen. Ammoniotelic. Animals excreting ammonia are called ammoniotelic. Now, excretion in dry terrestrial habitats. Excretion of second nitrogenous waste, urea. In restricted or limited water supply, ammonia can't be fit as excretory product. Ammonia is changed into less toxic substance called urea. That is, most toxic or dangerous, harmful is ammonia, but less toxic form is urea. Urea required only 50 ml of water for its 1 gram of nitrogen removal. In animals inhabiting or occupying environments with limited water supply, like dry terrestrial mammals, the excretory nitrogen ammonia is metabolically converted into urea in a cycle which is called urea cycle. Ureotelic animals excreting urea are called ureotelic, and condition is called ureotely. Urea cycle definition: the metabolic pathway in liver involved in the formation of urea from ammonia and carbon dioxide is called urea cycle. This is the definition. Now, steps of urea cycle. Among the various nitrogenous wastes, urea is the principal excretory product. Liver forms urea from waste nitrogen. 2 ammonia, 1 carbon dioxide molecule enters into the cycle to generate or produce 1 molecule of urea. 1 ammonia molecule combines with carbon dioxide, an already available precursor from previous cycle, ornithine, to form a compound called citrulline. Another ammonia combines to form arginine. Arginine then splits by an enzyme arginase to form urea and the precursor ornithine for next cycle. Now you can see the image or diagram. Excretion of uric acid in animals inhabiting dry environment with acute shortage of water supply requires an excretory product which can be removed with minimum amount of water. In these animals like birds, reptiles, urea is converted into uric acid. Birds, reptiles and dry habitats excrete out uric acid. Just only 1 ml of water is required to eliminate 1 gram of nitrogen in the form of uric acid. Uricotelic animals excreting uric acid are called uricotelic, and the condition is called uricotely.